when I realized where he was and feared that perhaps he wasn't going to get the kind of care and rehab that he needed, I just totally panicked because I didn't know what to do next. And I thought, guardian nurses, let me see if this is the sort of thing they do, because I wasn't really sure. And 2 guardian nurses met us at the rehab. They reviewed Jim's records. The doctor was there that day. They consulted with the doctor. They talked to one of the physical therapy people. It was a matter of whether he should be there for rehab, if they could make a program that was suitable for him, or whether they would arrange to have him moved, which involved insurance issues and all that. So, I just didn't know which way to turn. But the bottom line was the physical therapy people felt that they could provide a program, and the guardian nurses monitored the program, kept in touch on a daily basis, kept things moving, and he was home within a week.
If you don't work in that profession, you're just not going to know. So it's great to have someone who's in that profession, concerned, and actually working for you, a personal advocate.
We didn't know where to turn, who to contact for the needs that we had and all the questions, and what type of coverage he had or what was available to us through his insurance, and the guardian nurses have been extremely helpful with that. They've directed us as far as getting home health aid and learning just the basics of taking his temperature and his blood pressure, from the least to the greatest. They've been able to just give us some guidance.
To get a doctor that had confidence and to be able to get that treatment thanks to our inside track, our inside connection with Guardian, we were able to get that, and he's actually getting the treatment today.
If I know, or if someone were to come up to me and tell me that they've been diagnosed with a serious illness, and if they were asking my opinion or asking me what I think, I would absolutely tell them. And I have told other people about the guardian nurses, because I would tell them to call them, just to talk to them, just to see what they think, where you can go, help you meander through this quagmire, which is the medical field, where most of us have no knowledge of anyone in particular.
Last summer, my husband experienced a pretty traumatic illness, and he had a couple of surgeries, and as a result of that, he was experiencing some longer-term effects, and just needed a lot of comprehensive health treatment, and he had to follow up with some specialists. It was very challenging to get him in to see some good doctors down at the some of the major health systems in the area, and I finally reached out to guardian nurses, and literally within like an hour, things were just moving right away. We had appointments scheduled. The follow-through was phenomenal. Not only was it, we got you the appointment, it was, this is what you need, it's just a really thorough outline of what to expect at the appointment, history on the doctors, what to bring to the appointment, what they can expect to hear when they get there, where to park. I mean, it just really went above and beyond anything I have ever seen.